Have you ever wondered why alkaline water is suddenly everywhere, touted as the solution to all your health problems? It seems like every day there's a new product claiming to be the key to a healthier, more alkaline body. But is this all just a clever marketing ploy, or is there some science behind the hype? To find out, join us as we explore the truth about alkaline water, from its claimed benefits to its potential risks, and hear what health experts have to say about this latest craze. So grab a glass of water, regular or alkaline, we won't judge. Sit back and let's uncover the truth about alkaline water. Water, it's the elixir of life, the essential ingredient for all living things. But not all water is created equal. Let's take an example of alkaline water, the new kid on the block that promises to revolutionize the way we hydrate. Alkaline water has a higher pH level than regular drinking water, typically between 8 and 9, while regular tap water has a pH of around 7, which is considered neutral. While proponents of alkaline water claim that the higher pH level can neutralize acid in the body, help to detoxify the body, and provide a range of other health benefits, it's important to note that the pH level of water can vary depending on a range of factors, such as the source of the water, the presence of minerals or other substances, and the treatment process used to purify the water. But even if alkaline water has a higher pH level than regular drinking water, how does this pH level compare to the pH level of the human body? Well, our blood has a tightly regulated pH level of around 7.4, which is slightly alkaline. However, the pH level of different parts of our bodies can vary depending on their function, with some parts being more acidic and others more alkaline. Despite the claims made by alkaline water proponents that consuming alkaline water can help to balance the pH level of our bodies, drinking alkaline water is unlikely to have a significant impact on this process. That's why let's try to debunk some of these stated benefits. One of the most commonly cited benefits of alkaline water is its ability to neutralize acid in the body, which is thought to reduce inflammation and improve overall health. However, the pH level of our body is tightly regulated by the kidneys and lungs, which work together to maintain a slightly alkaline pH of around 7.4. When we consume acidic foods or drinks, our body naturally buffers the acid, keeping the pH level stable. Drinking alkaline water does not significantly impact the pH level of the body, as any excess alkalinity is quickly excreted by the kidneys in the form of urine. In fact, a 2016 review of the literature published in the Journal of Environmental and Public Health concluded that there is no scientific evidence to support the notion that alkaline water can neutralize acid in the body. Some proponents of alkaline water further claim that it can reduce the risk of certain diseases such as cancer, osteoporosis, or even heart disease. However, there is little to no scientific evidence to support these claims. While some studies have found an association between a more alkaline diet and lower rates of certain diseases such as osteoporosis and hypertension, these studies are observational in nature and do not establish a cause and effect relationship. In fact, there is actually no evidence to support the use of alkaline water or an alkaline diet as a means of preventing or treating any disease. Another common claim states that alkaline water can reduce the risk of osteoporosis, and it is worth noting that our bones do require calcium to maintain their strength and density. While it is true that calcium is an alkaline mineral, drinking alkaline water does not necessarily increase calcium levels in the body. A 2014 study published in the Journal of International Society of Sports Nutrition found that drinking alkaline water for 4 weeks had no significant effect on bone health markers in young, healthy adults. Similarly, a 2016 study found no significant difference in bone mineral density between postmenopausal women who drank alkaline water and those who drank regular water for 6 months. Moving on, let's focus on another benefit that is associated with alkaline water: detoxification. It is known that our bodies are quite resilient and can handle variations in what we consume and how we use our energy. For example, if we consume a spicy meal, our bodies will adjust and process it. Similarly, if we engage in physical activity and increase our water intake, our body will naturally adjust to meet our hydration needs. That's why it's important to note that excessive consumption of alkaline water can actually harm the body's natural detoxification process. The kidneys and liver require a certain pH balance to function properly, and drinking too much alkaline water can disrupt this balance. For this reason, there's no need to waste money on alkaline water because it offers no additional advantages to the body's natural detoxifying mechanism. While alkaline water may be marketed as a tool for detoxification, the reality is that our bodies are already equipped to handle this process on their own. Save your money and focus on maintaining a balanced and healthy diet, staying hydrated with regular water, and engaging in regular physical activity to support your body's natural detoxification process. And last but not least, it's a bit unfortunate, but some brands state that alkaline water provides better hydration, especially for athletes. However, a small study of only 16 subjects showed this to be the case, but there is no larger group of evidence to support this claim. Athletes typically add bicarbonate or baking soda to their water to make it more basic, use salt tablets, and try various sports drinks that work for their specific body and sport. In fact, most hardcore athletes know that drinking water of any type is crucial for proper hydration during exercise. They also know that adding anything extra to their water is based mainly on personal performance and experience. Even for intense sports like ultramarathons, alkaline water is an unnecessary addition to the money sink bucket. In general, any water that meets hydration needs is sufficient for athletic performance. It's not necessary to spend extra money on alkaline water, which lacks scientific evidence to support its claimed benefits for hydration. While proponents of alkaline water claim that it offers a range of health benefits, there are actual risks associated with regularly consuming this type of water. One of the main concerns with alkaline water is that it can disrupt the natural pH balance of our bodies. Our bodies are naturally slightly alkaline with a pH level of around 7.4. Drinking too much alkaline water can raise the pH level of our bodies, making them more alkaline than they should be. This can lead to a range of health problems including skin irritation, digestive issues, and even metabolic alkalosis. Alkaline water can also be expensive, with some brands costing significantly more than regular drinking water. This extra cost may not be justified, especially given that there is no scientific evidence to support many of the claimed health benefits of alkaline water. Finally, there is also the risk of contamination with alkaline water. While most brands of alkaline water are produced under strict quality control measures, there have been cases where contaminated alkaline water has been linked to illness and even death. So while alkaline water is marketed as a revolutionary new way to hydrate, it's simply water with a higher pH level than regular tap water, and the benefits of consuming alkaline water are not fully supported by scientific research. So I suggest you do your own research and make sure to choose wisely. If you are someone that does not have the time and spending hours reading about the best diet or listening to popular podcasts on how to live longer, I might have a quick solution for you. With my next video, I want to introduce you to the TMG and how this supplement helps millions of people to feel better every day. And while you are watching our next video, be sure to subscribe to Natural Education to remain updated with the finest health updates.